Want to sweeten up your live show? Whatnot has a ton of great features that can help you grow, reward your audience, and really make your show stand out. In this video, we'll walk you through some of our most valuable marketing features. Did you know you could add coupons to your live shows? Coupons are a great way to attract new buyers, as well as offer your current audience some discounts. To add coupons, you'll need to navigate to Seller Hub on a desktop web browser. Click on Marketing, then the Coupons tab. Click on Create Coupon and fill in the details. You should share your coupon codes out before you go live as well as during your show. Show notes are a great place to share your coupon codes. Want to give some items away during your show? Giveaways are a great way to reward your audience as well as gain some new traction to your shows. Who doesn't like free stuff? To create a giveaway, start by adding a new item from your scheduled live show. Choose Giveaway as the sales type and fill out the required fields. You can opt for giveaways to be eligible for followers only. This means any user who enters the giveaway will automatically start following you, helping you build up a valuable following. You can also offer free or reduced shipping costs to your buyers. Discounted shipping can be a huge incentive for buyers to start making purchases from you. When scheduling a show, tap See More Options under the Shipping Settings section. Here, you have the option to pay for all shipping yourself and offer buyers free shipping, or at a flat rate shipping cost that your buyers pay. Let's talk growth. Do you have a following outside of Whatnot? New users who sign up with your referral link get $15 in credit toward their first purchase. Consider posting your referral link on social media or your other sales channels. Whatnot makes it easy to share your show links and Whatnot profile directly to other social media and messaging apps. Make sure to check out our Share Your Show video for more info. You can also utilize our built-in multicasting feature to simultaneously take your Whatnot show live on other platforms. When you go to start your show, you'll see the multicast to other platforms option. Whatnot supports multicasting to YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. To learn even more about all these great features to help you grow, check out the Grow Your Following page at selleracademy.whatnot.com.